Yeah, now we can do the samgyang. You also know this one? Yeah. Yeah, the TV team laughed at me when I showed that I have samgyang in my refrigerator, but I haven't eaten it the proper way. Thank you. I have some. No, I dipped it. So, or just ate it in carrots and lettuce and nice.
야, 같은 쌈장이라도 현지에서 먹는 쌈장이잖아요.
Weird. Was it good? Yeah, it was fine. Eating it with different, like eating it with vegetables. I made like a steak tartare with samgyang added to it. And
That also sounds good. To try some new things.
yes.
This is more spicy.
Can I get lettuce?